This is Alard item Y4533. It is a Bock FP95 spin dryer. It is unused and in like new condition. It does have this one little tiny dimple from got in shipping, but other than that, the thing is as new. We are going to show you that it is beautifully operational today. We have some nice wet spinach here and a spin dryer. We're going to put that basket in there and dry the spinach. This has a remote control panel here with all the components in the stainless steel control box. You can see how nice and clean the control box is and everything here. It is set up, of course, with variable speed, timing, dynamic braking, stainless steel shrouded motor, all stainless steel, including the legs and base. And it is here, again, ready to go. So it is lid activated. All you have to do to start it is put the lid down. When you put the lid down, it starts the cycle. The lid locks for safety purposes. You can hear it spinning up to speed. See the water coming out. It's still spinning up to speed. And we have this on, I don't know if I mentioned it, a 2.5 minute time cycle. We're not sure if that's what's called for spinach, if it's too little or too much, but that was what we arbitrarily picked. Looks like we got most of the water out of it right off the bat, so maybe spinach is easy to dry and can facilitate a much shorter cycle time. There are multiple speeds and time settings over here on the panel, and of course everything is all programmable for however you want or need it set up for your particular product and application. We have the back panel open here. Obviously that would be closed, but we don't have it wired up permanently, so we needed to leave the cover off so we get all the wires connected. Wow, that seems to be spinning down now. And what it will do when it has reverse thrust braking, so once it turns off, it will slow and stop the basket, and the cover will open. I was going to say, it sounded like it had stopped. And the cover opens up, and there is your dewatered vegetable product. You want to come over and run your fingers through its hair? Yeah, nice and fluffy, not so wet spinach. Suitable for packing. All right. So that could be your spin dryer. It is Alard item Y4533. It is a new unused. We got it in the original factory crate. It had been sitting in storage for some time and moved around, but never put into production, never used. This may be the first time it's been run. It's here in stock at Alard Equipment Company again. If you want to talk spin dryers, if you want to talk any kind of fresh cut produce, pre-cut produce packaging or packing line application, give us a call at 315-589-4511. And if you want to get this machine, it's here in stock at Alard Equipment. Alard item Y4533, as of this video, in stock, available for immediate shipment in unused condition. Alard Equipment Company, Williamson, New York.